Hi Foodie Chef Pete is here. You know what's in this container? Chicken broth. And you know what? I'm going to show you an easy way to make your own chicken broth, because you know, as the holidays start approaching, you're going to need a lot of broth to put in for your stuffing, for your gravy, for all kinds of things, okay? All right. So what you need to do is get yourself a pot like I have here and get it so it's, this one's almost boiling. And then what we're going to do is put inside this pot, I'm going to take the lid off, I have some chicken backs and some chicken necks, and I have over here, I have some more pieces of chicken and wing meat and back meat, and we're going to get them in the water so this can start to get ready to go to boil, okay? All right. So now, what we need to do is put in some aromatics. So let's start. This is so simple to do. Let's start with some onion. I have some onion here. You don't need a lot because this is going to cook for a couple of hours. And and when it cooks...
You know what, I need to get a shot of that. I never even got to see that you put in.
Okay, well, get a shot. Anthony's going to show you now the pieces of chicken back, chicken skin, chicken trimmings, chicken bones, and all of that makes for a nice broth of chicken, okay? All right, so as we were adding in our carrots, we're gonna go next to, so just cut up your carrot. You don't have to peel them. All you need to do is wash everything. And let's get this carrots in there, okay? All right. Carrots and some onion and some celery. This is really simple. Or if you don't have to put any of it in there. But I like to put it because it makes for a nice broth that I can use for gravy, for stuffing, for anything else that I think I need, for basting, for whatever. And I can defat this, and I have a defatter, which I'll show you. This is a defatter. So what you do, after you skim, and this cooks for about 3 hours, you're going to pour the broth in here, and what happens is, towards the bottom of this fat skimmer, right, the fat will be on the bottom, so you'll just drain the liquid down. The fat starts at the top here, as fat rises, and the fat rises, you put it in, and so you just take it down, all the nice defatted liquid will come out, and you'll be left, you can see where the fat is on the bottom, okay? Discard that. So then you defat that. You can find this at all different places. Look on Amazon, and you can use it for any type of defatting you'd like to do. Okay, so we've got this in here. Add a little salt. Okay, we'll add a little salt. And maybe I'm going to add just a little bit of garlic powder. Just a little garlic powder to give it a little zing. When I make the stuffing, those spices, salt and pepper I will add, but the basics are here. So what you want to do is just get in and get this mixed in, okay? And what's going to happen here as this starts to boil is you can kind of see it starting already. There's some of this, and what you're going to do is get something like I have here in my hand. It's like a skimmer, and I'll skim the top and take all of this off, and then we'll be left with a nice clear broth, okay? Because later the aromatic vegetables are going to come out, and the meat's going to come out, and I'm going to have just broth, which I'll defat, which I showed you in the defatter. So this is real simple. Okay, try making your own broth and save some money, because these can get to be expensive, but in a pinch, they're really good. Okay, so this is Peter Carpizzas, as always, making broth today. The holidays are coming. Out.